You guys. Wow. I just love what God did today. And wait, do you see my hair? It's so amazing. And it's all DIY. Look, my necklace I have put here with safety pins and all. It's just so beautiful. This affirmation that I use to like have these magical clothes and all of that is like, first of all, I say thank you to, like, literally I would stand in front of my wardrobe, like my almirah, and I would just say thank you for all the beautiful clothes that you have blessed me with, throughout the, especially in the past 1.5 year. And then whenever I think of clothes and all of that, I always say my wardrobe has something exciting to wear every day. Like, my wardrobe, there's always something fun and exciting to wear in my wardrobe. And then just like boom boom boom, magical inspiration. Clothes are beautiful. Desiring them is also a very good desire. Sometimes, we have been taught, like, what, wanting new clothes is very superficial, or we have limited mindset, like, we can't have clothes because this is, yes, there was scarcity of food in our ancestral line, but there is also so much pain and lack around clothes. People didn't have enough clothes, they could not buy clothes, our ancestors would have this pain, like they would see other people wearing new clothes but they could not. So that lack pattern, we have to step out of it. And number one step to stepping out of that lack around and pain around clothes is realizing that it is okay and it's a beautiful desire to have. You want new clothes, you deserve new and beautiful clothes, so removing that block of, like, it's superficial. And once you have made it okay for yourself, like you have removed that block of, like, what, or judgment, oh, it's superficial, oh, I can't have it, clothes are expensive, I don't have money to buy them, all, no, this is not true. I'm telling you, once you make it okay for yourself to desire clothes, you will see, like, how clothes will start to appear in your life. These blocks, like these limitations, like, oh my god, I don't have the money to buy it, it's all limitation. Once you make it really okay and in your heart you're like, yes, I deserve clothes, new clothes, beautiful clothes, and that bring fun into my life, universe will guide you, gods and goddesses of creativity will guide you. And yeah, sometimes it would be to style the clothes that you have, sometimes it would be to, it will just take 1 minute, even less than 1 minute, to start manifesting this good energy around clothes. But you do have to understand where you are holding yourself back. Are you judging, like, okay, if I have new clothes, then I would be like, people will look at me very differently, or it's embarrassing because not many people have it, and then if I have it, then they will judge me, get jealous of me, or like look at me very differently, or whatever block you have, just look at it and then just make it okay for you to have new clothes. And then start, say this affirmation, like, my wardrobe has something exciting to wear every day. And then you will see, like, whoa, really magical things will happen in terms of, clothes and inspirations that you will receive, and just exciting energy. But yeah, clothes are beautiful, there is no And as you're doing your inner work, shadow work, you would naturally, there will come a point when you will want to dress differently. And at that point, if you suppress that desire, you are literally holding yourself back from your expansion. We don't get any kind of, like, just like how when we eat something good, we feel good, we feel nourished. Clothes are just another source of energy. If you look at it at that way, then you wouldn't have that judgment, like, okay, they are superficial and all of that. Of course, invite God and, like, God, guide me to aligned clothes, God, guide me to the right clothes that are good for me, healthy for me, and like healthy for the environment also. And yeah, of course, invite god and goddesses in, but lastly, if you want to do some belief work in regards to certain limiting beliefs you have that are holding you back in some area of your life, or you want to do shadow work, or you want intuitive and psychic guidance, book a one on one intuitive guidance session with me, because you can also do it by yourself, but then it will just take a lot of time. But when you work with me, because I'll be able to see things faster than and I will just be able to know it you know yeah, so that will also help you a lot. Link I'm just mentioning in the next story. Okay.